Yo! Welcome to yet another episode of the Repair Chronicles. And today we're going to be repairing this HTC phone that I got from a friend. So the screen is broken on it and it needs replacing, so let's get to it. So first thing you want to do is grab your pick and start going around the screen.
What the fuck are
What?
you doing?
What
this,
the
man?
fuck is this? Well,
So what is this shit? Okay, hold on, I have my own tools. I feel like those are better. Alright. So who needs that? Let's continue. I have been told that the screen needs replacing, so I guess we won't need this. That's fine. No, that's not a connector, that's fine. Wait, hold on. I should have probably done that. Fuck, okay, or I'm a professional, so I will just, it's, what, how does, whatever, okay, let's just do this. Wait, the screen, oh wait, the screen is here. Wait, I did it. Okay then. What's so hard about this? I don't get it. Fuck. Hold on. I swear to God, man. What? Whatever, let's just continue. Okay, so I think there should be some screws somewhere. If there was a tutorial, it would be easier. However, I don't think there's a tutorial on any HTC phone out there, unfortunately. But these screws are missing. So do I just pull it out? Wait, hold on. I don't get it. How do phones operate? What is this? And it seems useless. Okay, I have some components on my behalf. God damn. What is... Okay, what is my knife? Opa. I should probably not hold it like this. Opa. Oh. Oh. Okay, ow. Okay, so, I'm getting somewhere. I will get to the screen like this. Right? Man, who said this was easy? I did it! Yeah, let's go! What is this? How do I was... Yeah! Where is the toothpaste here? I guess I can ignore this. That's not the screen. Okay, so this. Are there some screws here? There is a QR code. Maybe that will tell me something. What What is this? I don't know. All of these holes are empty. Who did this? Also, I don't have a replacement screen. Oh well. I guess I'll just 3D print one. I think that's how that works. Hold on. Opa. Boy. Okay, that's copper. I know that. I steal that every day. Is it here? Yeah, I'm doing something. This is safe. Okay. I'm getting to the screen. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna need some more help. Where's there glass everywhere? I don't get it. Oh well. Must have been the wind. Hold on, what is this? This is some piece of adhesion, I hope. Hold on. Oh, this, like this. Hold on. It's like this. Oh, I'm doing something. Yeah. Okay, I need a different tool. That's what I've been looking for. Let's do this. Never mind, this is useless. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the adhesive away. I've watched the JJJreact video before. I know how adhesion works. I think it's supposed to be brown. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm fine. Okay, so that's the screen I don't need. And now, I just need to make sure I have all of the parts. Bluetooth. Oh wow. Hold on, what is this? Oh, I broke that. Oh well. I hope that wasn't expensive. Oh. Is this useful for something? I guess not anymore. I forgot my screen. Hold on. It's going in my pocket. HTC. Wait, what phone is this? It's oh, I have the screen right here. Let's see. It's like there's glass everywhere. Why? It's I shouldn't have knocked them out. I don't know what to do now. I don't have my screen. Among Us. No cigarette. Cigarette. So true, bestie. Anyway, so guys, I think I'm missing the display. Since this one is not working anymore, I think it was working at some point, however, not anymore, unfortunately. However, I think that guy had it, but those are mine. Wait. We hear the rats. We stalk at night. We pray at night. We hear the rats. Anyway. Yeah, I think that's it. I found the display. So I just need to put it back together now. That's gonna be simple. Alright, so I don't know how phones exactly work per se, so I would use this as an example. Okay, so we need the display. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's fine. I think tape can. No, it's fine. It will work. Hold on. It's fine. Okay. Wow, it's a sharp knife. Okay. Done. Okay, so now somebody made it clear so I can see inside. So I think we need this. In it, there's supposed to be battery. What phone needs that? Whatever. Oh wait, I recognize this. This is supposed to go somewhere here. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be. So let me just quickly zip tie it together so that it holds, since the camera needs to actually see out of the back. Right? Hold on. Man, I hope the zip tie isn't the wrong way. The zip tie was definitely the wrong way. The zip tie isn't working. Okay, fuck the zip tie. I'll just use tape. I guess I just need to make sure that the camera can see, right? So if I tape it like so, hold on. Just trust me. Let me cook. Okay. And now I make a cutout for the camera. Hopefully I didn't damage it or anything. Hold on. Where is it? Ah! Perfect! Let's go! Okay, so now it goes into the housing. Can I make it clear? Okay, who needs a camera? I mean, really, just get a second phone, no? Okay, so I don't think I need this anymore. Wait, that's it, no? Oh, what is this? Wait, what is this? No. Oh, I figured it out. Hold on. I just need to. Man, this is stressful. Okay, this is fine. Okay, is the zip tie long enough for this? Nope. This is so stressful. Okay. That's fine. I could have just tied it like this, actually. Yeah, that's it. It's finished, no? Bam. Cutting towards me, just what you're supposed to do. Bam. Ha! I did it. A forward function. Wait, where's the turn on button? Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. This phone, it isn't working out. Oh shit, a gum. I'm gonna put you honest. The guy that was it before, he's the one that's supposed to be doing this. I mean, there's glass everywhere. I don't know why. I found clear wipes. So I think this is just debris that was left over from stuff like this. It looks like a trident or something. How do you... I don't... This does not taste good. I don't know how I'm eating this. Let's go! Ow. Oh, it works! I did it! I made a fully functional HTC device! Let's go, man. Let's go, just like Jacob fucking Jones taught me, man. In every one of his videos, man. I'm telling you, man. Just smoke and smoke and smoke and you will be as good as me. What can I say?